Manish, let's first talk about why we started Apna Club and what does it mean, right? That Apna Club works by India 2 and India 3.
So, Shruti, in my last few companies' experience, I could realize that these tier 2, tier 3 towns have a lot of opportunities in terms of one, they have a scarcity of availability of merchandise. They also have a larger price parity which needs to be covered. These MNCs had the very right intention of developing these catchments, but ultimately it used to be getting defocused.
Yeah.
And post meeting we decided that we will definitely focus on developing these catchments with right set of people, right set of merchandise.
In my life, I feel like I have had the chance to live, a version of the Indian dream, right? Now, even now when I think about it, going through IIT Delhi, then HPS, kind of gave me the privilege and the opportunity that VCs took a chance on me and gave me money, right? To build out something that I feel will be of value and impact to millions of retailers. And for me, that is what excites me, right? How can these small retailers, how can these small entrepreneurs grow bigger? How can they progress? So this concept of tarakki has always, excited me. And so for me, it's about this. And then even in the work that we do with consumers, right? When we reduce the amount of damage or counterfeit goods in the market, I feel we are adding progress to people's life. So for me, this idea of adding progress to people's life is very exciting. And that's why Apna Club and working for these new markets in India 2 and India 3 was always very exciting.